3 cars in a car accident. I'm videotaping.
The car is coming, and there's a lady. A lot of, hey, come over here. Yanni, kaya ba? No.
Dude, this is crazy.
Dude, you're not doing anything.
Am I not?
It's practically the other. Dude, you're
I got it?
You're pointing the other way. Oh, no, it's not.
No. I got it right. I have it in the right place.
I'm gonna see if my phone can zoom in, but it doesn't.
Did you guys see
Get out the way.
big car crash?
Get out the way!
Let's hope we don't fire truck. Oh, this is awesome.
It's 3. Oh my god.
With the kids, like, oh my god. That's Andalusia. Look, another police.
Look at that truck.
Dude, kids inside the other truck. Oh, but they're alive. They're alive.
All of them are alive. It wasn't that big of a killer.
It's just called the house. No, I think so. Okay, I'll turn my hands up.
Perfect time.
Can you give me what your camera used to know?
Slow-mo.
Car.
Going in.
Car.
Wait, what phone is that?
Listen,